is that there is a rejection order. Second, third, there is no rejection.
But I am in only 9.
Only 9. Rejection of what?
Lordship, before going to the rejection order, Lordship, kindly come to a letter of the concerned Pradhan, that is page 24. Lordship, the petitioner belongs to Chasi Koibotto caste. Now, Lordship, they kindly come page 24. The concerned Pradhan issued the certificate that this petitioner belongs to Lordship the Chasi Koibotto.
First petitioner is Shubhankar Haight.
Shubhankar Haight is Jatite Chasi Koibotto.
Where is his name?
Lordship, the 5-6 lines from the top. Era Jatite Chasi Koibotto.
Page
Right?
24.
Page 24 P2.
Page 24 P2.
Shubhankar Haight.
Where is the name?
Now, in the
Shubhankar
bottom,
Haight. Bottom.
before the figure, 4,50,456 and top, Chasi Koibotto. Now, Lordship, kindly come. The certificate of the revenue officer is also given that petitioner belongs to Chasi Koibotto. This is the revenue officer, block land and land reforms officer.
Where is it?
That is page 25.
Yes.
Third line. Now, Lordship, page 26, that petitioner's income certificate has been issued, that petitioner not belongs to creamy layer. The page 27, also the concerned Pradhan has, Lordship, they issued the certificate that petitioner belongs to Chasi Koibotto. Now, Lordship, petitioner submitted application for OBC certificate. Now, OBC certificate, Lordship, what are the identification provisions is that concerned BDO is the recommending authority and deciding authority is the concerned subdivisional officer. Now, Lordship, the concerned block development officer, this is the kindly come page 31. This is the page inquiry report of caste certificate. Now, in the inquiry report, Lordship, the recommendation, instead of recommendation, there has been recommended for rejection. Lordship, already it is a predetermined manner. Lordship, kindly come.
1 minute, page 31.
Page 31.
It's recommended.
This is not recommended. It's a recommendation inquiry report.
May be rejected.
This is may be rejected. That's a predetermined manner. This application, before going to the authority who is eligible for rejection, passing a rejection order, previously they have passed an order of rejection. That is, Lordship, may be rejected. Lordship, this is 5th February 2024. Now, Lordship, this is the caste certificate inquiry report of mutual study report. Who is prepared? The inspector has prepared this report. Page 32. Lordship, first of all, these are the relative. This Kartik Chandra Haight is according to them is a relative. Forest Chandra relative. Ram Mukherjee is a neighbor. Mehboob Haight, Mahadev Haight is a Lordship the uncle. Now, Lordship, kindly come. The next paragraph. All of them declared that the applicant's family belong to Mohesso community, which is recognized as general community in West Bengal. The Pradhan, RDA, GP, and local Panchayat member also verbally declared that the applicant's family is well known to them and family belongs to Mohesso community. The applicant's family members belongs to Sandillo clan and the Lord Krishna is their family deity. After the birth of the child in the family, Sosti Puja is observed after 21 days. If it is not observed on that day, it is observed just before the day of Annaprasan. After the demise of the family member, pollution period is maintained for 15 days. There are 40 Mohesso families in the locality. On compilation of the inquiry, I certain that such and such Mohesso, and so the claim is rejected. Who is Lordship? The inspector has decided the issue that this application is rejected. On the contrary, the Pradhan has issued the certificate that I am Chasi Koibotto.
The Pradhan doesn't have any authority to issue.
Now, Pradhan is the inquiry authority. This is a Pradhan certificate they have relied upon for rejection of my claim. Now, Lordship, kindly come this letter of the relatives. Now, rejection order at page 34. Straightway, this is the online Lordship rejection, that application rejected. Without giving any chance of hearing, Lordship. Now, kindly come page 36, 37, and 38. Now, Lordship, these are the application of the relatives whose evidence has been taken by the concerned officer. All of them have stated that no inquiry has been conducted in our presence. These are the letters. Now, Lordship, kindly come. What are the provisions of law? Kindly come. The page 44.
Do you have any report with you?
Yes, my lord.
Please give.
My lord, petitioner himself admitted as Mahisso, my lord, in the
Kindly come page 44. So I will
backward class certificate. When he obtained the economical backward class certificate, my lord, he filled up the form and he admittedly, my lord, stated that his caste is Mahisso. My lord, kindly come to page 4, his application.
EWS certificate.
Name of caste Mahisso.
Petitioner has himself disclosed.
No, sir, kindly come page 44. Kindly come page
It
44.
is your
It is
declaration.
So, Mahesho is also to be treated as an OBC certificate. Kindly, this is
No,
the
but then you do not say that you are Mahesho. You say that you are
Chasi
Chashi
Koipoto and Mahesho
And
are arising on the same origin of Mahesho.
if
And
this is
Pradhan
not
also
the
issued certificate that he is Mahisho, my lord. Last page 8, page number 8.
I have annexed also Pradhan certificate.
Pradhan will give certificate to everybody. Whoever comes, Pradhan will give
No, let it
certificate.
be Mahesho. Kindly come page 44 of my writ petition. This is the West Bengal Commission for Backward Classes. This is the
It is his application, own application.
no. Let as for the assume that I am Mahesho. Kindly come
Page 44.
page 44.
Yes.
If he is admitted a Mahisho, my lord,
Yes.
then the
Yes.
statement made by the other
No,
part.
Kindly come page 44.
That
I
is
am
totally
to
false.
bring your notice that the commission in course of its activities has come across an allegation from Diamond Harbour Chasi Koipoto Samaj that the application of the OBC certificate of Chasi Koipoto class are being equated with the Mahesho class. Plus, you've got it. Who are yet to be enlisted at OBC in the state and are not being issued the OBC certificate. This you will appreciate deprives the genuine applicants for different facilities which accrue out of reservation facilities. In view of the above, Commission draws your attention to this allegation and requests you to kindly issue an instruction to all caste certificate issuing authority so that this authority is ameliorated. Plus, you kindly come page 46. That Mahesho and Chasi Koipoto is the same class. That is the Assistant Commissioner of Reservation, ex officio Assistant Secretary.
Mahisho yet not enlisted. my
And
lord.
I am directed to state that it has been brought to the notice of the department by the West Bengal Commission for Backward Classes that the applicants of OBC certificate of Chasi Koipoto class are being equated with the Mahesho class who are yet to be enlisted as OBC in the state and are not being issued OBC certificate.
Yet to
So,
be
Lordship,
enlisted.
this is the Assistant Secretary letter to the Lordship, the Assistant Commissioner of Reservation that Mahesho and Chasi Koipoto as the same caste belongs to same origin. Now, Lordship, what is the provisions of
So then
identification?
the next paragraph you did not read?
Yes. In view of the above, I am further directed to state the caste certificate status application of the OBC Chasi Koipotro are to be ascertained properly, keeping in view documents submitted by the application, finding, hearing, field inquiry, so that the genuine candidates may ascertain OBC certificate fulfilling for others. Yes. So, Lordship, this is if the Mahesho and Chasi Koipotro are same, let their documents be inquired into. I am ready. But Lordship, what is the procedure of identification? I have annexed this procedure. Kindly come 2015 guideline.
Kindly see the statement of the relatives, my lord. They denied that they are not.
Kindly come 2015 guideline.
At the time of inquiry, they stated
Now,
that
who
they
is
are
the
Mahisho.
Lordship, kindly come
At
clause
the
4?
time
Who is
of
the recommending authority?
They
Wrong
stated-
area.
File a report. Please come. The
And Lordship,
petitioner is
the
aggrieved by
SDO is
the
the authority of rejection. SDO has not passed any rejection.
rejection of issuance of caste certificate in favor of the petitioner. Stop paragraph. The state respondents assert that the petitioner does not belong to the reserved
Koipoto.
category. Stop paragraph. Let affidavit be prepared and filed by the respondents within a period of 4 weeks. Reply, if any, within a fortnight thereafter. Liberty to mention the matter for hearing. Affidavit of service taken on record. Notice taken on record.
তারপর কি নাম আছে? 10 I have served the notice of upgradation. Lordship.
Application considered or pending?
No, pending. Lordship, here,
Page.
Lordship, here is my application is, that is page 54.
What is the instruction, Mr.
Now,
Chaturvedi?
Lordship, only one thing. Lordship, kindly keep page 54. This is my application. Lordship, I am just coming, Lordship. A letter of the Lordship, kindly come. Yes, page 80, P7.
Yes.
This is the letter from National Commission of Backward Classes. Now, Lordship, kindly come, paragraph 2.
Let them consider. What will the court see by looking at all these things? The court cannot.
Now, Lordship, I am only.
He has preferred an appeal before the commission.
Commission has relegated to you. It will be the same thing.
Yes.
Please
Now,
come.
Lordship, kindly consider before considering my application, the page 82, which letter I have just cited earlier occasion, that is the 4th October 2018, West Bengal Commission for Backward Classes.
Mm.
Let this letter be considered also.
There is nothing in this letter.
Yes, Chasi Koibotra and Maheshwar is the same caste. So this is the letter of the member secretary, West Bengal Commission for Backward Classes. Let this.
You interpret this letter in your way. The court interprets it in a different way. It's not same.
No, I am relying. Please kindly observe that I am relying this letter.
Ligundo, the petitioner's prayer for issuance of the reserved category certificate is pending consideration at the end of the respondents. Stop paragraph. Without entering into the merit of the claim of the petitioner, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the subdivisional officer, Holdia subdivision, to take necessary steps for disposing of the prayer of the petitioner in accordance with law at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
Lordship, there is a provision of hearing.
All necessary inquiries shall be conducted upon prior notice to the petitioner and any other necessary party.
Lordship, let their chance of hearing be given.
Yes, I have mentioned.
But there are two subdivision officers.